6 ways to start using NFTs in your businesses. What started as a representation for real-world items in a virtual world soon became a business sensation in 2021, after a work of art was sold for $69 million as an NFT. Soon the world experienced hundreds of millions of NFTs being sold in the market and generating revenue, while big brands like Nike are joining the bandwagon and making the best of this technology. Small businesses are also in search of the right opportunity to hit the nail in the right place. Subsequently, this video brings you 6 convenient NFT business ideas to grow in the market. With blockchain technology and NFT development growing consistently, several big brands have already started using NFTs for business expansion. However, smaller businesses are rather more cautious about it. So, if you are also wondering how NFT could work for your business, here are 6 simple yet lucrative ways to incorporate NFTs into your business. Businesses can always create and sell NFTs to their audience in the virtual worlds powered by Metaverse. Here you may either design your own NFTs just like Nike and Coca-Cola, that launched their virtual sneakers and bubble jacket respectively. Another popular example of NFT in virtual worlds is the NBA shots, which are snippets of some of the best basketball shots by NBA players being sold in the virtual world. Or you can commission existing branded NFT items and sell them in the virtual worlds like Decentraland, OpenSea, Rarible, and more. Apart from designing and minting NFTs virtually, businesses can integrate NFTs with their physical products. Especially if you are an e-commerce business, this can be a great money-making opportunity. A relative example of this approach can be Nike, which offer crypto kicks that customer receives as a similar pair of NFT kicks after buying the real thing. Also, with the smart contract mechanism, creating NFTs would bring monetary benefits from future item sales to both NFT business and NFT creators. So, to say that creating NFTs for physical products can be a lucrative NFT business approach. Earlier, known brands have improvised their brand recognition by rewarding their loyal customer with limited edition NFT products. Subsequently, businesses new in the market can follow the lead. Some known examples include Coca-Cola's loot box, including its new logo and a virtual jacket. At the same time, another example is the Taco Bell restaurant that recently released its taco-inspired GIFs that became a sensation within minutes. One of the best use cases for businesses to integrate NFT is to enhance their supply chain management. Since NFTs are enabled and created on blockchain and are completely immutable, stamping NFT integrated tags on physical products can help improve product tracking and management. These NFTs can be optimally updated at different stages of the production process, traced out to access data, and ensure product security and traceability. Also, it can help in identifying defective products and rule them out in a time-efficient manner. NFTs can play a special role in minimizing product counterfeiting with their immutable and security-enabled nature. Since developed on permissionless, secure, and decentralized blockchain ledgers, product validity and ownership have become natural. Similarly, apart from virtual tracking, NFTs tied to physical products can also help limit product counterfeiting with NFTs barcode scanners. Also, this technology can be used for items like certificates, tickets, discount coupons, licenses, and more. Many businesses are involved in several social causes and fundraising activities as their corporate social responsibilities. While many do it generously, several often look for some return for their charitable donations. NFTs, in this case, can be a great idea as done by companies like Taco Bell and Coca-Cola. Not only can this help in effective brand recognition, using NFTs for fundraising can also be a prospective approach to improve public reputation. I hope you like the content. Please hit the red subscribe button and check out some more of our content on money making and investing.